To add the integrated Excel questions into your ALEKS course, you're first going to navigate to the assignments page. Once you're on the assignments page, in the top left corner, you'll see the plus new dropdown. You can add integrated Excel questions into homeworks, tests, or quizzes. In this case, I'm going to choose homework. You can name and date your homework assignment as needed, but then when you get to the Add Questions From section, you're going to switch it from the ALEKS topics to the Excel questions. It's important to note that you can mix and match these Excel questions with any of these question types on this list. Once you click on Excel questions, you'll see that there's two different banks of Excel questions, Intro to Stats Excel bank, as well as the Liberal Arts Math and Quantitative Reasoning Excel bank. Once you choose that, on the next drop-down menu, you'll be able to select from a grouping of Excel questions. Underneath that grouping, you'll see all the questions that are available with the name of the question as well as a quick description of it. You can preview these questions by either double-clicking on them or just using the magnifying glass to see the instructor preview. On the student side, when they open up an Excel question, it will look like this, and they'll click this Open Excel in a new tab. Notice that it does open up a new tab, and it's not something that the students need to download since it's integrated into the program. It will work with Respondus Lockdown Browser and Monitor. Once it loads, it will open up the Excel question with the instructions as well as the data set that the students will need. Where they will answer it will be down here marked with these little blue flags, and they do have this scratch pad area if they need to do any work, but that will not be graded. Over on the right side, they have a legend to understand what all of those cells mean and what they need to fill out. If they're doing it in a homework assignment, they get 3 attempts at this Excel question, but if it's added to a quiz or a test, they will only get 1 attempt to check their work and add this Excel question. On the student side, if I pop over into my student view and I go into one of my assignments, when there is an Excel question embedded into their assignment, you can see that I've mixed and matched some videos as well as some ALEKS topics and some textbook questions, but if we get towards the end, we'll see the integrated Excel questions. On here, you'll notice that it looks just like my instructor preview, and when I click Open Excel in a new tab, it will open it up in a new tab for me to work on as a student.